This is Susan Bradley for Ask Woody. I'm going to show you how to use the WSUS Show Hide tool. Now what you do is you come down here and you choose what version you're on. So if you're on 1607 or later, you can download this troubleshooter from this link. It downloads, you click on Open File. You click on Next. It detects the updates. And if you have any updates that you don't want to install, you can actually show specific updates. So it's showing that I have potential drivers, an antivirus defender, and if I was pending another update, if there was an update like, for example, the Secure Boot 1 that's somewhat troublesome for some people, it would be listed here and you can click it and say, don't install it. Once you hit Next, it will then hide that update from your system. And that's how you use the tool.